Is your Kia Soul key fob unresponsive? For 2014-2019 models, the most common culprit is a depleted CR2032 battery. Symptoms include failure to lock/unlock remotely or a fob that simply won't open. Extreme cold can also temporarily disable the remote. Before you start, consider that AAA and RepairPal estimate that 20 to 30% of vehicles aged 5 to 10 years experience key fob battery failure, and Kia Souls have a 25% incidence rate. Avoid dealership costs of $50 to $100 by doing it yourself. Always test the fob after replacement by locking/unlocking the vehicle from 10 to 20 meters away. To replace the battery in your Kia Soul key fob, start by gathering the necessary tools and materials. You'll need a new 3-volt CR2032 lithium coin battery. Make sure to note the polarity. The positive side goes up. First, gently pry open the key fob case using a flat tool inserted into the seam near the key blade. The case snaps open without screws. Next, remove the old CR2032 battery, noting its polarity. Avoid touching the battery contacts to prevent static discharge. Insert the new 3-volt CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Finally, snap the key fob case back together securely. If the fob won't open, check for stuck latches or corrosion. Clean contacts with isopropyl alcohol if necessary. A fresh battery resolves 90% of remote issues without reprogramming. Remember to dispose of old batteries properly at recycling centers. If problems continue after replacement, you may need to visit a dealer.